Hey guys, I'm Dr. Josie. If you're feeling pain or tightness on the inside of your elbow, especially when lifting, gripping, or swinging, you might be dealing with golfer's elbow, also called medial epicondylitis. In this video, I'll walk you through the basic anatomy, why it happens, and a few stretches you can start doing today to find relief. So golfer's elbow affects the tendons that attach to the medial epicondyle, that bony bump on the inside of your elbow. The primary muscles involved are your wrist and finger flexors, like the flexor carpi radialis and the pronator teres. These muscles help you grip, twist, and flex your wrist downward. When these muscles are overused through sports, typing, lifting, weights, or even repetitive hand motions, it can cause tiny tears in the tendon, leading to inflammation and pain. So the first stretch we'll do to help with golfer's elbow is a light forearm flexor stretch. Extend your arm out in front of you, palm facing up. With your other hand, gently pull your fingers back towards the floor. Keeping your elbows straight, you should feel a stretch along the inside of your forearm. You'll hold this stretch for 20 to 30 seconds. Don't push into the pain, should just feel a light stretch right along here. Switch sides and hold for another 30 seconds. You can do this 2 to 3 times per side throughout the day, just to relieve some tension. Once again, right along here. Eccentric loading can help strengthen the tendon and promote healing. So you'll grab a light dumbbell, 1 to 3 pounds is perfect. Rest your forearm on a table with your palm facing up, wrist hanging just off the edge. Use your other hand to help lift the weight up, then slowly lower it down using just the affected arm. That slow lowering phase is the key. You'll do 8 to 10 reps. As you get used to the weight, you can slowly increase it. You never want to push yourself too much. You don't want to push yourself into pain. You just want to feel that working. You'll feel it right here. Next, we'll work on mobility and circulation. Make a gentle fist and slowly move your wrist in circles, clockwise and counterclockwise. This keeps the joint moving without overloading it. You can do 10 circles per direction per side. Another thing you can do is you can use your thumb or a massage ball to apply light pressure to the muscles just below the elbow on the inside of the forearm, massaging in circular directions. This helps to reduce tension and improve blood flow. Switch sides as needed. You can do this throughout the day. As chiropractors, we look beyond the symptoms. Sometimes elbow pain can be linked to issues in the neck, shoulders, or wrist. A gentle adjustment to these areas can improve nerve function, reduce strain on the arm, and support healing. We also assess posture and movement to prevent the issue from coming back. If you're dealing with golfer's elbow, don't wait for it to get worse. Try these stretches consistently, and if the pain continues, come to see us for a personalized assessment. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more ways to move and feel better.